guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shatoya Lynn. If you are new here, what's up guys? Before I get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below guys. Tell me how's your day is going today. Alright guys, so today I figured why not. I picked this up from Walmart. It was about $4 and some change. I really can't remember. I know it was under $5. The kids actually love s'mores, and I thought this would be a really good dessert for, you know, after dinner. So why not review this Duncan Hines s'mores brownie kit? Why not? Alright guys, so before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button guys. Alright, so let's get into this video. Alright guys, so this is the front of the box. We're gonna do a review. So looks, here is everything on the back of the box. Alright, so we just need butter, eggs, and water. So what I'm gonna do is I already have the butter out, so I just gotta go get the 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of water. I'll be back. Alright guys, so the first thing we need to do is open the box. Let's open up this box. Alright guys, so this marshmallow, I'm guessing, yep, chocolate, graham cracker mix for the crust, and the brownie mix to make your delicious brownie. Alright, so that's it. Alright, so the first step we need to do is we need to put the crumbs in here with the melted butter, and then we're gonna spread it out on the pan, and we're gonna preheat the oven, which we already did that. They want us to spray our pan. Alright, so once we spray the pan, then they want us to stir the graham crust mix and the 3 tablespoons of melted butter in a medium bowl until it's moist. Okay. It smells really good. I think it needs just a tad bit more butter. I'm gonna just have to make more butter. Maybe a little more. Okay, that looks pretty darn good. There we go. That's what we need right there. Then gotta press it out. Oh, maybe I put too much butter. But that's okay. That is okay. There we go. Alright, so there you have it. That's the bottom of it. The crust. Alright, so now we're going to make the brownie. Alright, so we're going to make the brownie. So all we have to do is just pour this brownie mix into the bowl. We need 2 eggs. And we need some water. And like I say, this is 2 tablespoons of water. And we need 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Alright guys, so here is the melted butter. And you just want to mix it up till you get your batter. So then we want to pour this in the crust, you know, like in the pan. Alright, so you just want to spread this out. You gotta be careful because you don't want the crust to break. All right, and in the oven it goes. All right, guys, so it is out of the oven. So now I'm supposed to put the marshmallows. I'm supposed to put the marshmallows on top. So that's what I'm going to do.
I want a marshmallow, please.
And Sean wants some marshmallows. I'm supposed to sprinkle them on.
Oh my god. Marshmallow, please.
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You give me these more?
Yeah, they're tiny.
Yeah, how did the one get big? How when they get big?
They're very small, but it's okay.
And that's a lot of marshmallow. This one I'm not the top.
Alright, guys, so I put the marshmallows on, and it wants you to increase the oven temperature to 425. Then you're going to sprinkle the marshmallows on evenly over the cooked brownie. You're going to put it in the oven for about 2 to 4 minutes until the marshmallows get brown. So it's going to go back in the oven.
No.
And I'll be back when it's done. Alright, guys, so as you can see, the marshmallows is toasted. So they wanted you to put it in the oven for about 2 to 4 minutes. So I did just that, you know, so right there. And then now what you have to do is add the chocolate onto the marshmallows. And they want you to just massage the packet. As you can see, mine didn't have enough marshmallows to cover the whole pan. I think they should have added a little more marshmallows to it, but it's okay. Then you want to cut the corner, not too much. And then you just want to go ahead and drizzle this over. Over the brownie. You know, just drizzle on over. Okay. Alright, guys, there you have it. So my review on this, I would say it's pretty easy. The instructions are really easy. The kids can do it by themselves, or you know, anyone can actually do this as long as you have everything that's needed. It should be okay. Now I do think that they should have added more marshmallows to it, but other than that, I believe it's pretty good. I'm just gonna let this cool down for a little while. I'm gonna plate it and I'll be back. Alright, guys, there you have it. Here is a piece of the s'mores brownie. It looks delicious. With some ice cream. Alright, guys, so there you have it. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for sticking through this video of this review of the s'mores brownie. So comment down below Don't forget to hit that like button. Boom, boom, boom. And subscribe, guys. I'll see you next time.